Hello, you are watching the training video on items number 3 and 4 pertaining to assessment methodology for the eLumen Learning Support Outcomes Annual Assessment Reporting Template. From the introductory video, you know how to access eLumen, ensuring your role is that of department coordinator, and that you've selected the appropriate student service or learning community that you will be completing this annual assessment on. Ensuring strategic planning has been selected, you've gone to initiatives, you've clicked the link to open up your template. The template you see before you that we'll be using for the purpose of the training video is the counseling office. Using the scroll bar on the right hand side, I want to scroll down to item number 3. Provide a brief description of the assessment methodology. So this is for LSO number 1. As previously referenced in the prior training videos, there are additional sections for multiple LSOs up to 4 to report on an annual assessment cycle, should you choose to do so. So I've already listed my LSO, aligned it with the guiding principle, and identified the aspects of the program that are most closely aligned with supporting the LSO. Now I'm ready to describe my assessment methodology for my first learning support outcome. I position my cursor in the text box below item number 3 and I begin typing. This works just like a Word document, so you can adjust the text to bold, italicize, or underline should you choose to emphasize any part of the text. Additionally, if you've already completed this in a Word document or in the Word format of the LSO assessment report, you can copy and paste that directly into the text box. After I'm done entering my brief description of the assessment methodology, I want to use the scroll bar to the right hand side of the screen and scroll down to item number 4. Here is where I want to list the assessment tools or instruments that I used to complete the assessment. If I used an existing college or district data source, I indicate which source was used. And in this instance, what that's referring to is a data source available in 4CD and LMC such as Tableau or SQL. I position my cursor in the text box right below it, and I begin typing, or I could copy and paste from a Word document draft that I've previously done. Once I am done entering in the text, I select Save All as Draft up at the top of the screen to save my work. Now I've successfully completed items number 3 and 4 for my first LSO, and I'm ready to view the training video for item number 5 and number 6 pertaining to assessment results and analysis. Thank you and have a great day.